Now we are going to see expression with variables. We can form expression with variables like x minus 2, x plus 1, 3n, that is x minus 2, it's a subtraction, x plus 1 is addition, 3n means 3 into n multiplication, 2n means 2 into n multiplication, p by 4 is a division, and 2y plus 5, that is a addition, and 3l minus 7, it's a subtraction. So etc. That means in expression with variables we are operating addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All the 4 operations we can use in algebra with the help of the expressions. And for example, before that we are going to see a number of expression can be immediately calculated. Only the number expression means we can calculate it easy. But it go for the variables, we can go for the letters. That means if you go to the variable expressions means it is difficult, it is little difficult, because we have to substitute the value of variable, then only you can calculate the problems. I'll repeat once again the point. A number of expression can be immediately calculated. Number of expression means number solution means number of expression means number equation means we can calculate it very easily. But it is a variable expression means it is not easily calculated, it is not easily evaluated, because we suppose the value of x is equal to, the value of y is equal to, the value of a is equal to, the value of z is equal to, we have to substitute the value of the variables, then only you can calculate the sum. That is calculate the problems, otherwise calculate the equation. So number expression can be immediately calculated. For example, 3 into 4 plus 6. So 3 into 4 means it is a number, it is a number expression. It is called as this is a number expression. Okay, this is a number expression. So 3 into 4 you can get 12, 12 plus 6 you can get 18. So 18 is the answer. This is a number expression. But an expression containing the variable x cannot be calculated until x is assigned some values. That is what. But an expression containing the variables means any alphabets, A, B, C, A to Z, any kind of alphabets, we can call it as variables in algebra. It cannot be calculated. We can't calculate it because we have to substitute the value of x. We have to assign the value of x only. We can x here x. That is what I said x. Otherwise, we can say whatever the alphabet you have taken. So you have to assign the value of the alphabet. Then only you can calculate the variables expression. So for example, x is equal to 1. So I have taken x, right? I have taken x. That is what x is equal to 1. So the expression is 4x plus 3. Otherwise, we can call it as the equation. 4x plus 3 means 4x. So what is the value of x? Is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. So 4 into 1. So the value of x is equal to 1. I substitute the value of x. 4 into 1. You can get 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 is the answer for this question.